Namaste everyone, I am Roshan Nepal. I have done MSc Mathematics, Bachelor's in Education B.Ed, Masters in Public Administration and a certificate course in Disaster Management. I have almost 12 years of experience in school state, my district. My state Sikkim is a tiny state located in the northeast region of our country. It is a biological, climatic and cultural hotspot and mainly famous as hill station with very tourist-friendly, peace-loving people as its inhabitants. Out of only 4 districts of Sikkim, I live and work in the capital district called East Sikkim, where administrative, tourist-related business and development are all at a good pace round the year. I am presently posted at Government Junior High School Samlik Marchak, which is blessed by Rumtek Monastery in the upper side and mirrored by the capital town of the state. There are 56 students in our school and all of them are from rural background, out of which majority of them are socially backward students with very few students still the first level learners of their family. My problem. I teach mathematics as a major subject in upper primary level and deal with moral science department in the school. About mathematics, clearing the concept and relating them to real life is every time a stone turning deal, and once it is done, the joyfulness in dealing the problems of mathematics in the student's eyes can be really seen. About moral science department, the image of the teacher and creating a spark moment which I feel as a U-turn moment by using actual hands-on localization or being empathetic about the concept or reflection of own behavioral changes is a very challenging task. JET IIEI training. When I started attending JET IIEI training and knew some zero investment golden methods, my teaching style began to change with almost each topic covered in one or the other said ways, and also many minor innovations also started to crack too apt for the local conditions. Innovative Parsala training. Innovative Parsala training is a milestone with great dream of empowering the teaching faculty like us with a clear concept of inculcating the regionalization of the concept and blending them with the education philosophy with interactive sessions at regular intervals at comfort zone. Benefits of the training. In this most difficult time of the entire world, there were 3 main challenges to a teacher. First is engaging the students with fruitful works and make them feel secured and guided as in the regular school hours. Second, give correct information about the current situation and the repeated do's and don'ts to remain safe in these times to the students and the parents as well. And third, update ourselves in content and methodologies and sharpen the efficiency to use its fullest in the benefit of the society. I feel that innovative Parsala training has guided us very well to solve all the 3 tasks in these difficult times, and this can be felt as now we feel forward in making the learning objectives met by the students, and the perspective of the parents to a school approach is very positive, and we as a guides are not feeling outdated as the school has started to be on track with many difficulties still. In the training sessions conducted by respective Sayandip sir and Ujjwal sir, the simplicity in the content delivering styles was the most attractive part for me, and irrespective of the non-local belonging, the localization capability was impressive. The training were very interactive and innovative ideas cannot be forbidden as they are sure to strike the minds as soon as you plan for the topic to deliver in the class or discuss in the interaction as well. My solution. By applying the zero investment ideas shared in the innovative Parsala app, ideas in the JET IIEI booklet and idea sharing sessions, each of the concept of mathematics could be simplified, localized, most importantly localized and harbored in the learner's mind. This made the task very easy, and in a small amount of time and very less resources, locally available resources, the learning outcome were felt to be inculcated. By regular participation in the webinars, I could feel refreshed and rejuvenated, and same could be mirrored to the students parents while in interaction with them, which was sufficient for me as a moral science guide. Usually, while teaching the subject of social science and languages, morality is less highlighted than the contents. Therefore, the main task of extracting and highlighting the moral motive behind any context was possible because of the trust to relate the moral subject with teaching content as guided me in the training sessions. My selection of the moral stories, which I usually empathize about moral stories, has also been refined as I could select and share more impactful and localized stories to the students. I feel that nowadays students are being guided to be literate and progressing for being great persons. But being good and educated is more important than being great. Application of value-based instruction system and nurturing the moral values within the students with different methods, especially storytelling, role play, and self-demonstration methods shall surely have in the process. And I want to inculcate this type of habits in each student as they see the teachers as a role model of their life. My school as a model school, with very limited resources and being the school located in a remote area with some first level orders, with the cooperative effort of all the teaching and non-teaching staffs, we have been able to use each and every resource we have been provided and application of many innovative ideas for achieving the learning outcome to the students. With a view of best use of resources available, I feel that our school should be selected as a model school of the state for application of the innovative ideas in the teaching learning process. For the cause of being a motivator and giving a platform to the teachers to show their innovative ideas of teaching learning process, facilitating the teachers with best practices and enable the other enthusiastic teachers to use the best teaching practices. I want to thank the team of Sri Aurobindo Society, dedicated wing of JETII, and for fueling and nurturing the spark. I want to thank the HDFC Bank too. I feel that the content of any topic is best understood when it is delivered with the best practices. Therefore, to know the best practices of teaching learning through zero investment, innovative ideas, JETII has been delivering this through its channels. Therefore, to be the first amongst all to know the best practices of teaching learning process, I want to suggest you all to like, share and subscribe the channel of JETII. धन्यवाद.